Well, the weather's changing. It's gone from beautiful blue sky to what looks like storm clouds moving in. So I'm gonna put up the shelter over the kitchen. So I'm set up for rain, and I've got the carpets down for mud prevention and to protect the grass. Well, the tables are all waterproof, so are the chairs. And I put up this REI alcove, no longer made. Kelty makes something similar, sold by REI. I'm fairly protected. I got a good environment for cooking. And sometimes friends will all meet at a campground, and well, I'm all set. I can host a party here. I just have no party to... Where's all the participants? I'm here alone. Just me and the woodchuck. But that's okay. I needed to get out and air out this weekend, and this is a great way to do it. Due to popular demand, now in 2018, Vistabule is offering the Vistabule windshield wiper, which goes on the front here and wipes the windows clean in a rainstorm like this, so you have a better view. Otherwise, you just have to enjoy the rivulets of water running down the trailer glass, which is very relaxing. I actually prefer that to the windshield wiper. If you want to hear that hum, you know, the voot, voot, voot of the wiper, feel free to ask them about the Vistabule windshield wiper. So this is the rainy day experience in Teardrop trailering. I've got room out here for sitting around. I've got the Vistabule itself, and I've got the back of it covered over. I'm going to go in there now. You know, people ask me, what do you do for a turlet? You gotta go, you're in a campground, and what do you do for a turlet? So let's answer that question. First of all, I'm in the woods. Well, first of all, there's an outhouse right down there. There's a pit toilet right there. So that's option one. Option two is everywhere else. You bring a shovel, you do the hygienic thing like people have been doing since they came out of the caves. Option three is the bucket option. And what you do is you take a bucket, you put a plastic bag in it, and you do your business, and you tie up the bag and throw it away just like you would a dirty diaper or anything else. So that's the reality if you need to do it. I haven't had to use this method yet, but it exists if you need it. I prefer buckets on board. They're multi-purpose. If you did your business right, the bag gets everything. You can double bag it, triple bag it, quadruple bag it, or get some thunder here. But that's one method of dealing with the call of nature. And when nature calls, you've got to answer. And if it calls loud enough, you could always answer it out there. Storm has ended. Field has a bunch of robins looking for worms in the rain. We've come up for air. Okay, so let's take a look around. Everything looks good. Everything's dry. Some minor flooding. It really rained like hell. Everything's fine. The wing held up great. It's a little waterlogged, but nothing got wet. I have other poles for this. I'll probably use the other poles. They're higher. I think they're 10-foot poles. So I could, these look like maybe 8-foot poles. Get a little more height out of it. It did its job. It provided a lot of space, kept everything dry. So that's what's needed. You know, when you're limited, when you're a teardrop trailer, you need all the space you can get outside. This field floods. I've been out here in, a really bad rainstorm, one of those 100-year rainstorms when it did flood, even though there's runoff, and all the tenters packed up and left. and it was kind of a nice feature to have the trailer off the ground. So, it's the calm after the storm. Temperatures dropped. The red-winged blackbird. I can't get him. There he is. There's a fog on the water now. You gotta love nature and all of its drama.